Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you watch me from. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orupe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. Yes, this morning we get our mother for our studio this morning, 83 years Edo woman. Please, this video na very nice video una wan listen to so. This woman dey give me joy, dey make me happy. At her age, everything wey pass through for life, she come go put am into music. As we dey speak now, this mama get album. Mama, you are welcome to our studio. Mama get album about to launch now. This morning we invite our mother make e come tell us wetin make her really go dey do music. How many 83 years old women go fit really do music? So if you be a Edo woman, abeg make una share this video. This mama really need una. This is the time wey this mama really need una now. If you be a Edo woman, anywhere you dey all over the world, this mama want to launch her music when e do. But before that, mama, wetin be your name?
Lucy Bello.
Lucy Bello. You are welcome to Human Rights Parliament. My brother, you go dey interpret for us. Are you hearing me? So mama get music. Mama get music wey be say e don go studio. Mama don go do the audio. When he meet me, he say abeg, he need to do video. Say he need to do video. And we all know say to do video not be small project. So mama don dey gather himself since then, gather himself. He come go studio, he come go do the audio. Mama, where the audio? This one now the audio be this. Now the audio now be this. So mama wan do mass production. All Edo women, Edo men, Edo people, Nigerian people, African people, wey dey watch this video, any area wey be say you fit support this 83 years old woman to mass produce this is CD. Even if it is just 200 pieces, 300 pieces, 400 pieces, mama say this one, he ready make go dey sell am by himself. Say he ready to dey waka. We say no. First mass produce before we come find marketers wey go help you market this music. If you see how this music sweet, mama, you are welcome.
Yes, sir.
Wetin be the title? Wetin be the title? Talk am for Benin make we hear. Please, can you interpret for us?
It is time for God to hear my prayer.
It is time for God to hear my prayer is the title of this woman music when he go do now. In case you want to support her to mass produce, to do video, please try and reach mama. This woman make me proud this morning. This woman make me really happy this morning. I beg, before mama go dey talk story, wetin make I go sing? Make I repeat myself again. The number to reach us as you dey watch us na +234 8053841781. Mama enter studio go sing. Mama enter studio, he go do music. Wetin he pass through for life, he go put am together and e don become music now. Mama don first do one. This one, see am here. Mama don first do one. And as many that support mama to do this one to achieve am, God will bless all of una. So wetin mama dey ask for now? Mama, wetin make you really Go sing this music.
The thing where God do for my life.
Yes.
Na it make me go sing. That time when I dey suffer, I marry, I no see pikin born. Waka, little doctor, the begin dey pursue me comot from my house say pikin no dey your belle, pikin no dey my belle, then they say me I no dey come to house again. Na so I do. I spend more than 12 years for the man house.
Did not born
I
pikin.
no born anything. Now I comot. Then I call when I run comot for the man house, and I come follow one of my sister go Ibadan. I reach there now. My sister say, wetin make me dey waka for now he say me and the guy make pray for me. I call the guy pray for me finish. He say, who tell me say I no go born? I say wetin doctor say pikin no dey my belle. Now he say no be na the waka dey follow me. He say when he dey pray for me na he see 2 girls for my hand. He say if I born, say na 2 girls I go fair born. I come tell am say I don old. I say white hair don full my head. The woman say no be that one, but they take born. Make her take patient. Now I stay with her.
Yes.
Later now I come tell me say all those Yoruba when they say joy, say they are not answer them. Say they go fit take money do medicine come give me. I no go hear wetin they talk again.
Yes.
Say me I no collect money for their hand. Now I say okay, come stay. Later now I come tell me say you see one man. Say the boy at home say but the man never marry. Say na soldier. I come tell am say they say soldier dey beat their wife. He say no be for you. Say go tell am say soldier dey pass soldier. Now I say okay, come marry the man. We come go nation. I reach there now. Na only once I see my period. I get belle. I get belle. Me no know say I get belle. So I can't be like say I dey sick or I don't nothing when you know they do me. I can't tell the man say give me money, me I go back to Benin. I say my people don't know where I dey. Now I run comot for house. Make I no come die for Yoruba land.
Yes.
Now the man say you dey sick, you no know wetin dey do you. Call you date, mumu. You no know wetin dey do you. Now you bless. No do. I come girl. When I got girl finish now, I still.
After 12 years in marriage.
Later now, they carry the comot for Malaysia. They come go Sogo. When that girl dey 9 months, I come get another belle.
Jesus.
When I get another belle now, I say, this pikin never waka. Na him wan believe woman dey quarrel with me say, why you go talk say you never waka before you go born, you waka. When the guy dey 11 years, na him come dey waka.
11 months.
Na so later now I come born, I come get.
That prophecy, that woman wey say you never pray for you. Okay, you go continue. Remember where you for stop. You see, for those our sisters wey don marry, wey never get pikin, I think this mama story now, you need to learn for inside.
Yes.
12 years in marriage, mama was not having issue. Mama don't get one pikin. They were mocking mama, doing mama everything. And mama begin to go from native doctor to native doctor. At the end of the day, native doctor tell her say pikin no dey in belle. That is how mama move come out, go meet his sister. And the sister tell her say, who tell you say pikin no dey your belle? Whether they be God, kneel down make I pray for you. Thank God say na believer, neither his sister be. And that his sister tell her say na 2 girls he go take start. As they pray for us, so make you not listen to anybody wey will tell us say come do this one, come do this one. Make focus in God. Right there, that is sister now. Negotiate. He come marry again. Before you know, number 1 come na the girl, number 2 come another girl. Mama, how many children you get today?
6.
So 6 children. You see, because of all those things when you pass through now you put for music. So please, this mama needs support. It needs support. That is why I'm doing this video for her. She needs support. She wants to mass produce this CD. Whatever you have to support her, use it to support her. And after she don mass produce this CD, we go help am engage, set up committee to do launching for her. we are going to launch her music so that she will enjoy for this old age when it came. How many years you be? 83. So everybody when they watch you all over the world now, what do you want me to do for you for this music? Talk to me.
Make them help me.
Okay, just go on talk.
Make them help me make a pay you up. Because don't tell me how they suffer. Don't tell me how they suffer. Make them help me.
Okay, Mama, these people where they say they help you now. You fit sing one song for them for inside here.
Yeah, go sing.
Oh yeah, sing make I hear you. Sing make I hear you. Make I help you. Hold on. That is one of the track. Mama, you go wait for them, you go come and they sing. Please, I'm begging all of those people all over the world. This woman needs support. This woman single-handedly go to studio and do the music. He single-handedly go to studio and do music about 4 or 5 tracks. And she needs support to mass produce. That is how it take come our human rights office now. Our human rights office now we dey beg all the adult people all over the world. We dey beg all our brothers and sisters from the east, from the north, from the south, all our brothers and sisters, Nigerians. This mama needs support. If 83 years old woman can come out to sing and she's asking for support to mass produce, that is to say, God still has a purpose for you. Every one of you, when they watch this video, begin to share them. The best thing we can do for Mama now, this 83 years adult woman, is to help her, to support her, even if it is sharing, share, so that people can locate this Mama. The number to reach Mama right now na plus 234 53 84 17 81 plus 234 17 81 plus 234 80 53 84 17 81. Mama, how many months you just sit down do this music? Because the one way you sing just now sweet me well well. I'm not saying now waiting you experience. Now you sing. Are you hearing me? So now make it sweet for you. You get off of mic before. Say you go ever get album where go enter market. You get off mic say you sing before. I mean now waiting you sing make you go sing.
Now the thing when I sing, I make you sing.
So the one way sing just now, Pastor Efosa, what is the meaning of that? Because of our viewers.
He said it is time for God
to watch our viewers.
It is time for God to hear my prayer. It has been long and I've been walking around, nothing to show.
Okay, Mama, that one and one of the song, Abi. You go fit sing another one. You fit sing another one from here now or from here. Okay, anyone wey know say you wan sing for your people now wey dey watch you, sing am for them.
Usamira, everywhere ya, Jesu na bo, everywhere ya o. Usamira, ọmọ fi ìwé yẹ̀dẹ̀, everywhere ya, èrè náà yọ̀yẹ̀. Usamira, everywhere ya.
God
can never change.
Yes, you as a watcher, Mama, sing. Usamira, everywhere. Yes.
Usamira, ọmọ fi ìwé yẹ̀dẹ̀, everywhere ya, èrè náà yọ̀yẹ̀. Èmi yàgò sáyé, ọmọ fi ìwé yẹ, èrè lẹ̀dẹ̀ yá gbé, ẹ̀yọ̀ yẹ̀yẹ̀, èrè lẹ̀dẹ̀ yá mú, ẹ̀yọ̀ yẹ̀yẹ̀. Jésù náà bo ẹ̀yìn fi hàn ẹ̀wẹ̀ yẹ, èmi yàgò sáyé, ọmọ fi ìwé yẹ, èrè nù kí yá bá, ẹ̀yọ̀ yẹ̀yẹ̀, èrè nù fẹ̀ yá nù.
All right, Mama, thank you. Yes, viewers all over the world, in case you are just joining us, our Mama here, an 83 years old woman from Edo State, he just entered studio, go do music, and he go handle do the audio. So she's asking for support. Our Edo women in diaspora, see one of una woman, 83 years. Make una share am, make it reach our Edo diaspora women. At least this woman now, make una take am as una project. Make una help am mass produce the CD. Make una help am do a video for am. She said she want to do video, she want to mass produce, she want to make sure that the story go, this in music go everywhere. That she married for 12 years, no issue. When they waka up and down from native doctor to native doctor, now native doctor now say pikin no dey belle. Before he go meet one of his sister wey be believer, that one have to pray for her. And this time when they talk, so Mama, if you listen at 30 something years, you did that time be 40 something years old. 50 something years.
Something because why air not come out?
50 something years. Yes. So she come there about 50 something years before her sister come tell her say, native doctor no get say your womb will carry children, but now 2 girls you fit start. And as that sister talk that time, now so it come be. So our brothers and sisters, una wanna just marry, pikin never come, make una hold on to God. With this mama story, I think for those of you where they say, hey, I'm married, no pikin, this one at 5 years old, this one at 10 years old, don't count years again, because if God won't turn things around, 1 second, God can turn things around, your womb will carry belle. Your womb will carry pikin. That womb will be say no be carry pikin. When God turns things around, he will carry pikin. So Mama, we want to appreciate you. We want to say thank you. At your age, you went to studio and sing. We don't bring you out today to the world. Millions of people, they are watching you now. Nothing is too small, nothing is too big for this Mama project. Support Mama so that Mama go fit mass produce this in music. This in music can also heal some people wound. Mama, the first one where you sing, that one just a sweet me go. Sing them again. The first one where you sing just now. Joanna. Thank you. Mama, thank you. Viewers all over the world. 83 years old woman from Edo State enter studio, compose all the story, turn am to music. Right now, na the CD plate be this. She dey ask for support. She dey ask for support. How e go take mass produce, how e go take do her video. In case you get opportunity for music industry, e no mean say you must give her money. You fit contact this number +234 8053 841781. If you get ideas, you get contact for music industry, you can just call that number. Mama will bring his master, then you go help her mass produce. But in case you want to support Mama with money, nothing is too big, nothing is too small. As you see am now, they very determined to make sure say this in music go viral. Edo people, home and abroad, wherever una dey hear my voice, this Mama na one of una own. Na one of una own be this. We should be proud that 83 years old woman all the way from Edo State enter studio go sing. Mama break record. I think say Mama break record.
Yes.
Yes. Nigeria artist Davido, Wizkid, all the artists in Nigeria, Two-Face, the ones wey be say I no remember their name, backing W, whether you still dey do your music or you don retire, this mama need support to mass produce his CD. Abeg make una share this video to make sure say all our artists, oh where Pima Edo State, Pima chairman, this mama need una support. Edo diaspora women, this mama just go sing, he wan mass produce his CD, he need una support. Wey feeder, Nigeria women lawyer, Edo State branch, this mama also need una support. She just go do her music and she wan mass produce so that make it begin sell her. From there, this story fit console people wey be say dem wan kill theirself because say dem no get pikin. So mama, thank you very much. My name still remain Lucky Orupe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. I'm a human rights activist. I do this video with all joy in my heart. I wish my grandmother still dey. You know, mama with white hair enter studio. This one a challenge to youth. You wey be youth, you say you no wan use your hand till dey do something. Na person thing I tell your hand wey you wan go collect. See am here, old woman, 83 years old, he go sing for studio. Na challenge to you. You wey say you wan kill yourself, say no work for Nigeria. Only you wan serve na work. Abi? Only you wan serve na work.
Yes.
You no need to kill yourself. If mama fit enter studio go sing, and see mama, see her here, see the CD here, now they beg the word now say, abeg make una support me, I wan mass produce. That is to say, all youth need to rise up, to work, to do things for themselves. So mama, from here now, me wey dey talk now, I go start the support with 5,000 naira. I go start the support with 5,000 naira. So you go buy notebook. Are you hearing me? You go buy notebook. Anybody wey dey support you, they write their name and their phone number. Every day you go bring the book come out, you dey pray for all of us wey dey support you. So me I go support you now with 5,000 naira. Are you hearing me? You know say win na human right. Na every day different challenge dey come meet us, and so we dey solve different problem. So this money wey I dey give you now, say I hold am 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. That one na my support. So if you want to support mama, try and call this number +234 80 53 84 1781 +234 80 53 84 1781. Mama, what do you want to tell all your viewers when they watch you? Pray for them. Pray for all your viewers.
All of now when they look me so, I thank God for my life. God will bless all of you. In Jesus' name.
Thank you.
Thank God.
All right.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.